Here's a real easy job. The Peugeot 208 Alternator. Safety first. Pop off the positive battery lead, so nothing gets damaged. Now release tension on auxiliary belt, and remove belt. Release the multiplug, and remove main battery lead, 13mm nut. All that's left to do, is loosen and remove the two 13mm bolts. The alternator will be tight. So using a pry bar here, will help remove it. Once removed, check the new one matches, then rebuild in reverse order. Check there's no battery light on dashboard when running, and confirm it's charging by using a multimeter. It should be more than 13 volts. That's all there is to it. Did it work for you? Leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.